Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So Halloween is around the corner and I decided to make something for the season. I hope I didn't get you guys scared. So today's tutorial, as we already know, is how to make skull granny square. Okay, so I'm going to be using 3.5 mm hook and these two colors of yarn for this project. I'll start by making a magic circle, wrap the yarn around my finger, insert my hook in the circle, wrap around the yarn and pull it through. Then I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna make 9 triple crochets into the circle. Okay, so make sure when I'm done. So guys, I'm done with mine. I'm going to close the circle up a little bit to make my work more comfortable. Then I'm going to chain up 5 and make 1 triple crochet in the circle. Then after that, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then make 1 triple crochet in the circle. Then after that, I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to close up the circle and go straight to the first triple crochet, skipping the 3 chains, straight to the first triple crochet and make a slip stitch right on top of it. And with this, we've come to the end of the first round. For the second round, I'll chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in that same space where I made my slip stitch. Then I'll make 1 single crochet in the remaining 8 triple crochets right on top of the stitches. I'm done with my 9 single crochets and this is what it looks like. I'll go into the chain 5 space and make 6 single crochets. After the 6 single crochets, I'll go straight into the chain 3 space and make a slip stitch. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3 and make 3 triple crochets in that same space. And this is 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to chain 3 again, just like the first one. This 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch in that same chain 3 space. Okay, then in the next chain 5 space, I'm going to make 6 single crochets in it. I'm here at the end of the second round. I'm going to insert my hook in the first single crochet that I made. Then I'll introduce the new color of yarn and use it to finish up by making a slip stitch. Then I'll tie a knot twice to secure the connection. Then after that, I'll grab my scissors and cut off the previous color, which is white, then set it aside. I'll make a slip stitch in the next space. I'm trying to hide the tail along as I go. Okay, so after the slip stitch, I'm going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the same space, I'm going to make 2 triple crochets. Now the chain 6 counts as 1 triple crochet, chain 3. Okay, so here I have my first triple crochet in the same space. I have my second triple crochet. In the next space, I'll make 1 triple crochet. In the next 3 spaces, I'm going to make 1 double crochet. This is 1, 2 and 3. In the next space, I'm going to make 1 triple crochet, and this is what we will have. Okay, then next I'm going to make 2 triple crochet. This is 1 and 2 in the same space. Then I'm going to chain 3 and make 2 triple crochet in that same space. 1 and 2. The next 4 spaces I'm going to make 1 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next space I'm going to make 1 triple crochet, and after that I'm going to make 2 triple crochet in the next space. That is 1, 2, then chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that same space I'm going to make 2 triple crochet, 1 and 2. Okay, in the next space I'm going to make 1 triple crochet. After that I'll be going over to the 3 triple crochets and place 1 single crochet on top of the 3 of them. This is 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so in the next space down here I'm going to make 1 triple crochet. Then in the next space I'm going to make 2 triple crochet in the same space. We have 1 and 2. Then I'm going to chain 3, and in that same space I'm going to make 2 triple crochet, sorry. Okay, after this in the next 4 spaces I'm going to make 1 double crochet. This is the second one and the third, fourth. We have 1 space left, so I'm going to make 1 triple crochet in that space. It could be a little tricky and hard, but I found my way through it. Okay, so 1 triple crochet, then go over to the chain 6. I'll go over where I made chain 6. I will go over there and make 1 triple crochet again in that same space. Okay, then I will count from this side, count out 4 chains. So on the 4th chain I'm going to make a slip stitch. So I've come to the end of the 3rd round, and this is what my work is looking like. Very beautiful. Okay, so going over to the next, which is the 4th round, I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the next space, which is the chain 3 space, I'll make 2 triple crochet in that space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that same space I'll make 2 triple crochet. Then in all the spaces that I have here I'll make 1 triple crochet on top of those stitches until I get to the next chain 3 space. So guys, I'm here at the next chain 3 space. I'll just go into that space and make 2 triple crochet. Then I'm going to chain up 3. After that I'll make 2 triple crochet in that same space. Then in all the stitches that lead to the next chain 3 space, I will make 1 triple crochet on top of them. Now I'm here again. I'll go into the chain 3 space and make 2 triple crochet and chain up 3. Then in that same space I'll make 2 triple crochet again. Then I will make 1 triple crochet on all the stitches across, including the single crochet stitch that we made on top of the 3 triple crochets. Okay, so continue with this process until you get to the end of the round. So guys, I'm here at the end of the round. I'll just locate the third chain of the three chains that I made in the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch right there. So with this, we've come to the end of the fourth and final round of this project. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and drop your thoughts on the comment section down below. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much once again, and happy Halloween to you guys. Bye for now. Mwah.